Yo, what's up guys? I just got this little package here, Z1 Motorsports. I just got the single exit exhaust for my G35 over there. So we're gonna install that.
Alright, just opening it up here. Fucking shit. It's like some hangers, clamps, whatever the hell they are. Alright, let me get this shit out and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so I got everything out here. Looks nice and clean. Got some extra gaskets, the extension pipe that you need for the G35.
Alright, so first step, I'm gonna bring this into the garage, jack it up, and we'll get started. Alright, so we got it installed here. Alright, pretty good looking. The only problem is it kind of hits here. I think there's a way to fix that. I just had to go back and do that. Sorry, I kind of jumped to it, kind of installed. Didn't really show the process, but just installing it, the only issues I personally had was the hangers that you have to take off when you're taking off the actual exhaust. Other than that, putting it on is super easy. Fortunately, I had my dad like helping me put the hangers on and everything, so it wasn't too big of an issue. For me, I recommend having one other person. It makes it a lot more smooth. I still haven't put the silencer on. I don't think I ever will, because I kind of want it to be loud, but personally I like it a lot. I think it's perfect for what I'm going for. I think I have to go for the Y pipe next. I don't know if I'm gonna go with the Z1 Y pipe for that as well, but we'll see.